Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know me, hi, my name is Manshi and I am 22 years old. Okay, I really want to show you guys everything that I purchased this month, and literally my bank balance literally went from here to here because I purchased a lot. And I'm so happy that I purchased everything with my own adult money. I mean, इसका खुशी ही कुछ और है. Honestly, I don't know how to describe that, but I really feel so happy inside out. Let me show you everything.
Wow.
See, I told you, I shop a lot, and there's still so left. This much. I mean, I told you, a lot means a lot. I'll open everything one by one. First is the Nykaa one. So the first one is the ELF. कहाँ से दिखेगा? ELF lip gloss. So I'll show you the texture. Can you just see? Literally glides so beautifully, and I used it pehle. It looks so beautiful on my lips. Also, it's giving me that tinkling sensation because I think it's a plumping, it's a plumping gloss. Also, सिर्फ यही एक प्रोडक्ट था जो मुझे 260 में मिला, एंड इसका जितना भी वेरिएंट है वो सारे ऑलमोस्ट 900 समथिंग है. सो आई रियली गेट इट इन अ वेरी गुड डील. Next one, again from Nykaa. Okay, so we have this Hello Glow. I mean, I heard a lot about this product. The people who don't want to put a lot of, concealer, foundation on their everyday basis, so they use this, and it's perfect for the dewy look. I tried it and it's 100%, 200% M approved. Okay, and I literally love one thing about this product, that it doesn't feel cakey or heavy on your skin. So yeah, this is so lightweight. Can you see? If you are also a dry skin girly like me and want that hydrating dewy makeup look, then this product is literally for you. Honestly, it's not sponsored, nothing. Next, I got this product for free. It's a ELF Instant Lift Waterproof Brow Pencil. I would love to give this a try, and I'll let you know. Next, can we open this? I mean, hell yeah. The most expensive purchase which I did from Sephora, and I really want to show you guys. A Rare Beauty girly. I mean, can you see? It's so small, it's so tiny, but I'm obsessed. I am literally obsessed with this one. I mean, this is so cute. This is literally so cute. And I really wanna put a little. Product बहुत ही कम है, so I don't want to waste this. What? Can you see the pigment? Can you see the pigment? No way. I just पुट इतना सा ड्रॉप बस डाला था मैंने. 1000/10. Next one. Are you ready for that?
Huh?
It's the Dior lip balm. Can you just see the packaging? I literally went crazy while shopping, and I told you I shopped a lot and my bank balance ran from here to here. But I'm not gonna regret it. Also, I used it, तो ये थोड़ा सा हो गया खराब, but no worries. I mean, I'm so happy. This is my second Dior purchase. इससे पहले I bought that concealer Dior का ही, which was also too good, and I must say उसके जैसा concealer मैंने आज तक नहीं use किया है honestly. So I feel this product really works well, उसके जैसा ही, and I'll share the honest review obviously. And yeah, so please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Follow me right now. Next is from Ajio. Again. Okay, so this one is the Huda Beauty setting powder. Really spent my kidney to buy the full one. And मैं इसको खोलूँगी नहीं because मैंने इसको खोला एक बार and product came out, so I don't want to open this right now, but can you just see? I mean, I love it. Again, if you are a dry skin girly like me and don't want a crease or something here, this product is perfect for them. Also, इसका मिनी वाला आता है, so you can buy that, but मेरे को ये बहुत ही अच्छी डील पे मिल गया था, so I purchased the big one. So if you also have a budget of buying big one, go for it, because छोटा वाला काफ़ी छोटा है, तो फिर I think big one works. And इससे पहले I'm using the K Beauty one, which was also too good. If you want to upgrade yourself on a luxury product thingy, so you may buy this. Else you can also go for the K Beauty one. It's your choice. Then we have Bobbi Brown cream, face cream. It's a vitamin enriched face base, and let me tell you, this little product is too expensive. I honestly feel, I genuinely feel that ये इतने बड़े में आएगा, ठीक है, इतना बड़ा, जितना बड़ा ये है एटलीस्ट, बिकॉज आई पे ऑलमोस्ट इससे ज़्यादा शायद आई पे इसका, बट कितना सा है लिमिटेड. लेट मी शो यू. ये मेरे हाथ से भी छोटा है, लाइक कैन यू जस्ट सी. आई मीन आई एम सो लाइक, ऐसे दिल बैठ गया था मेरा व्हेन आई सी दिस प्रोडक्ट, दैट आई पेड सो मच एंड द प्रोडक्ट इज इतना सा बस. बट वी हैव अ स्टोरी बिहाइंड इट. वंस अपॉन अ टाइम आई वेंट विद माई मॉम, शॉपर स्टॉप गई थी मैं, एंड देयर मैंने मेरी एक रील में भी डाला था कि मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम एक लिपस्टिक शॉपिंग करने के लिए गई थी मैं मेरे मॉम के साथ में. सो वहाँ लिपस्टिक परचेज करने के बाद में हम लोग गए शॉपर स्टॉप, नायका से परचेज किए, फिर हम लोग गए शॉपर स्टॉप. सो देयर आई ट्राइड दिस वन. आई वॉज लिल दैट टाइम, ठीक है, आई एम नॉट अर्निंग दैट टाइम. सो ये उन्होंने मेरे को यहाँ से ट्राई करवाया कि ओके जस्ट सी इफ़ यू लव इट और नॉट. सो शी सेड नो, लाइक कभी और ले लेंगे ये वो. तो आई केम, बट आई न्यू दैट मेरे को ये प्रोडक्ट ट्राई करना है एक बार तो लाइफ में. सो नाउ अब मुझे कोई रोकने वाला नहीं है परचेज करने के लिए. सो आई बॉट इट एंड आई कैन लाइक इट. आई रियली वांट टू यूज़ दिस प्रोडक्ट बिकॉज अब तक मैंने इसको इतना सा भी ऐसे लगाया नहीं है, बिकॉज आई फील द प्रोडक्ट इज़ टू लेस. बचा के रखती हूँ. एंड ये दोनों के साथ मुझे मिला है ये फ्री हुडा ब्यूटी की तरफ से। एंड इसमें लाइक काफ़ी सारे कंसीलर और कलर करेक्टर के शेड्स है विच आई वुड लव टू ट्राई। लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट वन। Okay, next is this one. I really don't want to show you the brand because if you guys follow me on Instagram, I literally show you everything कि ये सारे product मैंने सिर्फ 1900 मिले। Okay, these are the products. The first one is Rich Moist Soothing Cream from Claire's. Okay, so this is the product. I feel it's perfect for dry skin girly. I had never tried this before, but I am dying to try this product because मैंने Claire's का एक बार toner use किया है, which was really good. Next, this is the Maybelline's Fit Me Compact. I honestly love every product of Maybelline. Next one. Oh, this is the Tilted Cleansing Balm. And I really want this from a very long time. Like not really like from Tilted, but ये मुझे काफ़ी अच्छे प्राइस में मिल गया. So I had to get my hands on these. Oh, this is so satisfying. This is the product and काफ़ी decent quantity में भी आया है ये. So I am really dying to trying this product because Tilted का again मैंने एक बार milk toner use किया है and that was great. And we also know that Tilted का that cushion foundation which gone viral all over the internet, that was also too good. So I really want to try this Hydro Boost cleansing balm from Tilted and मुझे देखने की like कितना work करता है this product. Next, like finally I get my hands on this beauty of the sun. I heard a lot about the sunscreen. Oh, I'll show you here. Oh, it blends so quickly. This is so hydrating. Also giving that, you know, dewy touch. Now I can see why this is so viral and people are dying to try this product. Like this is the people's favorite product and I think ये मेरा भी favorite product होने वाला है. Okay, next up is Caudalie toner and I really heard a lot about this product. Also I saw the picture of Selena Gomez using this product, so I think I had to get my hands on these. Also I heard a lot of good reviews. I don't know why I didn't like the smell, like the fragrance is a little annoying, honestly. But oh, the fragrance is no, but it giving, you know, the cooling sensation. बहुत ही ऐसा, you know, chill types लग रहा है. I really need to try these products because I never use this product in my entire life. They are literally my first bottle. So I'm super excited to try these out. Next. This bag. ये थोड़ा टाइम पहले मैं H&M पे गई थी. So वहाँ पे the product का cost is 2299, ठीक है? But in sale I got this product for 1300 rupees only. So and it looks so good. It's so decent, so minimalistic, so chic. Also, if you know me, I am a bag buggy and this is my 30th bag. If you really want to see my bag collection, please drop this I'll share in the next video all my bag collection. I'll show you everything and where I got these from, everything. I'll show you from inside. The space is huge. Like, I can carry literally everything. I literally got scammed. ये ऐसे कुछ tools के साथ आया है, which is the holder. And उस website में लिखा हुआ था that it's a charm phone cover. Charm means what? The print or the charm on it? I mean, I recently got scammed second time, and this is my second time. This looks so horrible. I feel waste of money. I gave 500 for this stupid phone cover. And yeah, that's it. अभी 3 products और आने बाकी है, which is, बोल दूँ क्या? That I spent a lot this month and my bank balance is crying right now. So no more shopping next month. ये सब बोलने का बात है, मैं करूँगी, मुझे पता है. Yeah, that's it. I'll share every product details or links in my description box. You can check them out. And I'll give you the best price जहाँ से मैंने लिया है. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys like and love all the product which I purchase, and especially these are for the dry skin girly because I am the super dry skin girly. And if you want to know how I purchase 5 products in just 1900 rupees, then also comment Insta so that I can make a video there. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.